Hey there wonderful viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a fascinating topic, how gut bacteria can influence our mood and behavior. You might be surprised to learn how these tiny organisms can impact our daily lives. So without any lag, let's get started. So it entirely consists of 5 phases. Number 1, the gut-brain connection. Do you know our gut is a home to a trillion of bacteria? It's like a bustling city of bacteria. But here's the thing, these little guys plays a crucial role in our mental well-being. You see, there's a direct link between our gut and brain, known as gut-brain axis. Number 2, happy hormones. When these gut bacteria digest the food we eat, they release some compounds and chemicals. So these are actually neurotransmitters, the messengers of our brain. For example, they produce serotonin, which are responsible for making us feel happy and content. Number 3, the impact on behavior. Now here comes the interesting part. The balance of bacteria can influence our behavior. Studies have shown that certain bacteria strains can affect how we respond to stress and anxiety. Number 4, diet and gut health. So how do we keep this beneficial bacteria happy and thriving? It's all about what we eat. A healthy diet rich in fiber, fruits and vegetables helps nourish the good bacteria in our gut. Last but not the least, take care of your microbiome. In just 1 minute, it's impossible to cover all the details. But here's the takeaway. Take care of your gut, it will take care of you. A balanced diet, regular exercise and stress management can promote a healthy gut microbiome. Conclusion, that's a wrap. Next time you feel sudden mood swing, remember it might not be all in your head, it could be in your gut too. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, don't forget to subscribe for mind-blowing content. Thanks for watching, stay curious.